Hello ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with You. So it's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome back to this channel where we're all about your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can have a scintillating skin. If you're just joining us for the first time, I want to welcome you specially to this channel. On this channel, we give you tips on how you can maintain your healthy skincare routine and have your dream skin tone or skin type or anything you want your skin to look like. We're here for you to give you all that. In today's episode, I'll be reviewing a face cream. So I'm going to be reviewing this face cream, and this face cream is pretty much new. You know, on this channel, if we find anything new, we say it as it is. We come here and, you know what, debrief it like all the officers of the law. So we come here, debrief it, and see how you can use it to get the best result. So which face cream will I be talking about today? I'm not going to be talking too much. It's going to be a very short video. So the face cream I'm going to be talking about is this one here, called the Glow Recipe face cream. If you have checked this face cream on TikTok, you will notice that it's making a whole lot of noise on TikTok. So the face cream has two variants, and I'm going to be talking about the two variants and what these two variants fix for you. So on this channel, if we are reviewing any product, we try to, you know, review all the range of variants or varieties as it's were that the manufacturer produces. Now, Glow Recipe face cream is a face cream that has two variants, like I had earlier mentioned. You have one which is in the black container. That one has the key ingredients as glutathione and alpha arbutin, while the second one, which is in the white container, that one has the key ingredients as alpha arbutin and niacinamide. So both of them are of the same size, both of them are the same price, and they pretty much do similar things. It's just that one of them is more potent than the other, but really, girl, they pretty much do the same thing. Now, Glow Recipe, let me start with the mildest one, which is the one in the white bottle. So that one has the key ingredients as alpha arbutin and niacinamide, and we know that alpha arbutin is a brightening or lightening agent over time, while niacinamide helps to even out your skin tone. This particular face cream is for people who are trying to even out their facial skin tone. Say you are somebody who fall in the category of those that have maybe your face not in line or in tone with your skin. Now, we've seen cases where some people, their body from the neck down to their feet is more brighter, or the shade is more fairer than their face. Now, these things happen because of different issues, which I'm not going to be discussing on this video, because that's not the focus of today. So maybe in another video, I'm going to be telling you why you will see that you are using the same. In fact, we've seen instances where you're using the same products. Maybe you're using a body lotion on your face. Now, this body lotion will be working perfectly well on your skin, but it will not be working on your face. There are many factors that contribute to that, but again, that is a story for another day. So if you fall in that category where your face is darker, or the shade of your face is darker compared to your body, then you want to go for this product, because the combo can help you clear and even out your skin tone when used over time. And if you're somebody who also has sunburn, sunburn. Now I'm talking about the one in the white too, because if you have these issues I'm talking about and you use the other one, you might get a reverse reaction. So pay attention to what I'm talking about. Now, say you have sunburn, because of the niacinamide in this product and the alpha arbutin, both of them are brightening and lightening agent. They can even out skin tone over time. So when you have this burnt skin burn, you know, we are in summer now, in people that are in the western countries, their skin is really susceptible to skin burn or sunburn, as it were. So using this face cream will help you even it out over time. But again, it's only mild sunburn. It's not a sunburn that maybe is as a result of maybe bleaching or onchoceriosis that has given you a permanent burn. No, if it's just a mild one, yes, it will even it out. Now, another thing is for those who have dark circle, like dark undertone under eye, if you're somebody who has that, maybe because of using a product, there are some products that you use, face cream, gels, or steroids. I find this more with steroids, people using steroids. You see that after a while under your eyes will turn dark. In fact, some of them tend to get eye bag and all that. It's not because they are not sleeping, it's not because they are tired or because they are having a sleep deprivation. No, some of these things as a result of the product we use on our face. Yeah, so if you have those issues as a result of using cream or any form of cosmetics that has caused that issue for you, over time, when using products that have niacinamide and arbutin or vitamin C, you can include vitamin C serum, it will help to even that out. Now, other things that this particular face cream can do for you is, say you have post-acne scars, hyperpigmentation, or you're just trying to just generally even your facial tone. You want to see that your face is bright. Girl, this will work for you. Yeah, but this would not work like 7-14 days, 3 weeks. No, it can take up to 6 weeks or more before you can start seeing visible result. And again, you don't need to over mix different products when using this particular face cream. Just maybe get your toner, your base toner, your serum or your essence, depending on what you're using as a prep on your face is fine. You don't need to put too many things. You don't need to overload your face with too many ingredients. That can even result to more trouble for you. Now, I have talked extensively on the first one. So the second one is the one that has the glutathione and alpha arbutin as the key ingredient. Now, this is for people who want to whiten their face. Like, you want to get your skin tone 2 or 3 shades fairer. Yeah, you want it to be lighter. You want a whitish undertone. You want to so exfoliate your skin and get this usha prapra kind of undertone. Then you go for this other one, this one in the black bottle. Now, the key ingredient, like I have mentioned, is glutathione and alpha arbutin, and what that does for you is that it whitens your skin tone over time. It gives you this yellowish undertone and gradually take it to a whitish half cast kind of look undertone. Now, who are the people that should use this? These are people who want to lighten up their face. Now, if you are somebody who your face, like I said, is darker than your body, don't go straight into using this one. You might be tempted to, but first start with that. After maybe 1 or 2 bottles, you can then jump to this if you are not satisfied with the result you've gotten from the previous one. Don't just jump to this because you might not get the best result. I don't know how to explain it to you, but from me to you, that's my advice. Start with that and graduate to the other one. So it's going to give you a very whitish undertone when used over time. Now, if you're somebody who has melasma, yeah, like mild melasma, not chronic one. So there are people who get melasma maybe because of hormonal imbalance or pregnancy or post-pregnancy kind of reaction. Yeah, you can use this particular kind of face cream to clear that. But if your melasma is as a result of maybe health condition or maybe came in naturally, this will not work. You need something stronger. Now, I have talked extensively about this too. So the second one is majorly for lightening. You're trying to lighten your face, clear hyperpigmentation, but don't use it if you have sunburn. Don't use it. And if your face is susceptible to white patches, don't use it. Don't use the second one. I know why I'm saying it. Better stick to the first one. If you know that you can get white dots or white patches easily, don't use the second one. Now, the beautiful thing about this face cream that I love is that it has SPF 30, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't use your higher dose of SPF. Yeah, then it is also affordable. It retails between 8,000 to 9,000 depending on where you are getting it from, and I think the size is 50 ml. Yeah, 50 ml size. Now, for me, I would advise that you don't use this product day and night. You either choose the best one that fits for you. Either day, if you know you don't go out too much under the sun, or night. Because if you rush it, it might thin out your skin after a while. So the best thing is you either use it, if you want to use it day and night, you either limit the number of times you use it in a week, or you stick to just once a day. So it's that you choose morning or night, or you do morning and night 3 times or 4 times a week max, and you get the best result. Like I always say, it's not about rushing. Take your time and you get good result when doing skincare. They said less is more, so that is the best strategy for doing your skincare routine. Now, you can mix it with other actives like vitamin C, either in serum, essence, or toner form, your hyaluronic acid. You can also mix it with additional niacinamide if you do have them in that serum form. So girls, I have told you practically the price, the size, and everything about this product. Have you used it before? If you have, please tell us your experience in the comment section. Tell us, did it work for you? Is it worth the hype? And if there's any other face cream you want me to go and make review on, please drop the name in the comment section. I will surely come back and do a review for you. If you've not subscribed, this is the best time to do that. Support this channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting on our videos. Until I come your way next time, still your girl again, Blessing. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and always wear your sunscreen. Yeah, clock it. Ciao.